Okay, so today I will be explaining the sets of numbers and examples of each set. So for our natural numbers, those are all just our regular counting numbers. Our integers are the natural numbers and its opposite. Our rational numbers are fractions made from integers, and real numbers include both rational and irrational numbers, while our complex numbers are real and imaginary numbers.
How has your math skills been improved?
My math skills have been improved greatly because of the fact that I learned how to do mental math in quick, easy ways, and I don't have to be so calculator reliant now.
Alright, so today we're going to be multiplying 52 times 84. And I've listed out my steps, but 52 times 84 is really hard for us to understand and to multiply, so I've broken it up over here so it can be simpler. We know 52 is basically 50 times 50 plus 2, and 84 is 80 plus 4. And we know how to multiply 50 and 80, and we know how to multiply 2 by 4. So we do 50 times 80, which is step 1, which gives us 4,000. And we do 50 times 4, which is step 2, and that gives us 200. And then 80 times 2 is step 3, and that gives us 160. And 2 times 4 is step 4, which gives us 8. So since it's listed out there, you can see how it's easily added, how the answers are easily added. And if we do add them, it gives us 4,360.
Hi, my name is Desmond Kane, and I'm working with the Mobius strip. How many sides do you think this piece of paper has?
2.
Okay. Now what if I was to tell you that I can make this into a one-sided shape? Would you give me money?
No.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So, this is still two-sided. We'll introduce a one twist, it'll become a one-sided shape. Now you may be thinking in your head, I don't believe it. So I guess I have to prove it to you. I'll staple it on the twist that I introduced. And it, now, as you see, if it was a two-sided shape, once I draw a line through the face 1, it would stop. Once I draw a line through face 2, it would stop. But if it's a one-sided shape, once I draw a line through face 1, it will go into face 2, and then back to face 1, and then back to face 2. So let's see if it happens. So as you see, once I started from face 1, and we're down to face 2, back to face 1, back to face 2, making it a one-sided shape. I'm over this.
How has your attitude towards math changed?
Well, coming into this course, all I think about is, oh, when I'm in math course, I have to take math all this summer, it's gonna suck, it's all lighthearted, and I'm not gonna like it. But after going to the classes and learning what Daphne taught us, it was more like, oh, it's just been teached wrong to me. Like, Daphne teaches it in a way where it's fun and it's easy and you don't have to think as much. Like, you know what everything means, and it's not so much like, oh, I have to do all these problems. It's more like, oh, I know how to do this. This is easy. So I think what changed was now it's so much easier.